Hey guys, that 4-banger here. In today's episode, we're pulling an L28ET out of a 81 280ZX because my buddy over here keeps telling me to mention the difference, but here we are. Hopefully it starts. If not, it's gonna get bored out. So we got a lot of it stripped down. I'll set up a before and after picture. But look at that. Tomorrow or maybe later tonight, I don't know, we're gonna try take the intake off and see how much dirt and gunk we got in there, because whoever owned this before me took the injectors out. I left it out in the weather, so we're gonna see how bad the cylinder walls are, because the can seems to be intact, not too bad, like no actual major wear and tear. Also, look at this crap, we can't get the oil pump back on. Look at this. And a big old spinny boy. I think gigantic. It is October 23rd. It is like 10 at night. Nope, it's like 9. Almost 10. We have reduced about 50, 60, maybe even 100 pounds off the engine just last night. We're gonna see if we can almost get it to like start pulling out tonight, and we'll go from there. Hey guys, so we got a faggot right here. Oh yeah, cause Nissan boys, bro. So we got the valve cover off. We're currently working we're working on pulling the head off, so it's easier for us to get back behind the tranny and get the bolts out so we can pull the block, so we don't have to lift the entire thing. Crap. But yeah, this is where we're at. Also, for those that don't know or are ever planning on doing an L28ET, the head bolts, there's 10 of them, and they require a 10mm Allen wrench. That beautiful, huh? Alright guys, it is October 27th. It is about 6 o'clock. I finally got the head out. So we were caught on this thing right here. It goes, this is pretty much the downpipe to the turbo. I literally had to cut it off, or sawzall it off, and I guess they pressed that on. It's like completely pressed on, because even with the ratchet straps and me pulling the engine or the head, it was not going anywhere. So yeah, props to Nissan from the 80s for doing that. You know, here's what the cylinders look like. Here's the first one, here's the second one. Don't worry, all this dirt's gonna be cleaned out. I pretty much dropped all this dirt in here. And then that, and then here's the last one. But it seems to be moving just fine by itself. Like nothing's seized up on it. Like I put the, hold on. I don't know if you guys saw that, but everything seems to be moving freely. I can't move it anymore because the chain is out, so I feel like I'm gonna have to get new guides because I bent the crap out of that one. Well, sort of, I dented it. I know I'm gonna have to get the head, what's that thing called, plated. because I was kind of used a crowbar on the back of the head to try and get it to nudge forward. But there it is. I am now going to start on unbolting the block from the tranny from up here, because I don't have a jack to jack everything up. So I'm going to work on doing that from all the way down here, all the way up here, and see how it is. And then we're going to go from there. Also, look, this side's like no rust, completely just grime. And then this side is just, it's all surface rust, obviously. I'm going to get it, more than likely going to get this hot tanked. Everything else seems to be in perfect order. Some of that rust that you see like back here, it's all minor rust from me having the head off while it was raining. But that's the main plan for now. There's really nothing else to do besides, start removing the blocks from the tranny. Since it's an auto transmission, I am more than likely going to leave the transmission in here. But also, if you guys ever plan on building an L28ET, make sure that you get a decent oil sending unit from that goes on the block, because these are crap. They will leak on you, and that's how more than likely how you will end up with a bunch of grime on the other side of the engine block. But other than that, I mean, that's pretty much the only update I can give you guys right now till I unbolt the tranny from the block and ratchet strap the block because I don't have a cherry picker. Also, this is mainly going to be like a budget build video. So I got about 2 weeks left till my due date to get this done. I said 2 weeks, right? 2 weeks, not 2 days, if I said today. But 2 weeks. Hopefully I can push near 300 horses. I'm not going to go too overboard with it for now. I will be doing another video in the future for a full rebuild on an engine, from bearings to pistons to rods. Everything is going to be pretty much redone on that engine. It is an L28, but I will be turboing it, so I will be getting aftermarket parts. I will be keeping you guys updated on the total cost of everything that I have spent on building the other engine. Water pump, housing, fuel line, pretty much everything that needs to be replaced will be replaced, from pulleys to whatever needs to be replaced. So be on the lookout for that video. That video might be a little bit ways out. It is pretty much a full restoration that I'm going to be doing on that car. There's some body work. If you guys are interested in learning a little bit about body work, I have 2 people that know body work that will be working on the car doing body work. So if you guys want to watch some videos, comment below, and I'll keep you guys updated with what they're doing and how they're doing, stuff like that, and you guys, so hopefully 2 weeks tops I'll have one of these fully running. It should be this one. So I want to get this one done. Alright guys, well stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe, all the good stuff. And I will be keeping you guys updated. Thank you.